At
Soup
SLV
joumou
Food
is not
Haitian.
just a meal. It's a symbol of freedom and resilience, a celebration of Haiti's independence. Let's start with the ingredients. My soup, I'm going to be using beef stew, calabaza squash, along with some carrots, potatoes, celery, yautía, parsley, onion, and a bell pepper. If I did miss something, this is why I added the ingredients on the screen. It's also listed in my caption below. Now, keep in mind, if you do want to keep your soup vegetarian, you can do so, or you can use cow, chicken, whatever. I let my beef stew marinate overnight, and then the next day I added it to a pot with some tomato paste and oil, and I let that cook on low heat. Now, to my squash, I'm going to go ahead and take the seeds out and peel the skin along with some carrots. This is what I'm going to boil for the base of my soup. At this point, my beef stew wasn't quite ready yet, so I did go ahead and add a little bit more water and let it boil for a little bit longer. I brought a pot of water to boil before adding in some salt along with my squash, scallion, garlic, and some carrots. This is going to be the base of my soup. Once everything was fork tender, I did go ahead and put that into a blender along with the same broth that my squash and carrots was boiling in. Strained it and then added my cabbage along with the rest of my veggies, my meat, and the sauce from the meat, some fresh aromatic. Once my veggies was ready, I then added in my potatoes along with my macaroni and spaghetti. I gave that a good mix. I also made some Haitian bread because I cannot have soup joumou without it. Et puis that's it. Ou geto konem, bois manger. Happy New Year!